beautiful folks, this is again Ashish from ashvircreations and welcome back guys. So today I'm gonna give you urban street preset in the form of mobile Lightroom DNG camera preset, as well as that is XMP preset, as well as the desktop Lightroom preset. All the links are down given in the description, so you can just download it. So guys, all you're gonna do is just click on three dots, unselect the JPG, only select the raw file. Raw files are the preset file which are present in your SD card. Now just copy that preset to your SD card. So here is the urban street preset. Click on the add button, so it will be added to my old photos of the gallery of the Lightroom, and let's apply the preset to the photo and just see how this actually looking. So just wait for the moment of the preset to be added to your photo. So here is the preset which is added. Click on the three dot on the top right corner, select the copy settings and just hit OK. Now go back and we can apply it to some photos and see how this actually looking. Click on three dots and select the paste settings. Wow guys, this one is literally so freaking amazing. You can see the difference guys. The street preset, urban street preset guys, this one is so dope. I will definitely recommend to you guys, if you want to create an amazing Instagram feed, then you should try this preset in your editing game and just turn it to a next level. So you can see the difference guys. This one is so dope. I really personally liked it very much. I'm gonna use it in my photos for my Instagram. So you can see the difference. Here was the before and here is the after. So yeah, I hope you all have enjoyed this preset. If you enjoyed, then just smash the like button so that it will motivate me to make more videos and presets like this for you guys for free. And if you still not subscribed yet, then kindly guys do subscribe and hit the bell icon to get notified of our videos and presets. Also visit our website www.ashvircreations.com and filterpreset.com to download the premium collection of presets just for free. Also guys, don't forget to follow me on Instagram, just type ashvircreations. So guys, thank you for watching and see you in the next tutorial. Till then guys, be creative and be awesome.